Hello viewers, and we appreciate you watching. In this video, Mr. Wilbert was sent to lift a fertilizer mixing drum that was loaded with fertilizer. Once Mr. Wilbert got on scene, he discovered he could not get his boom inside the building, and the company could not lift it with their forklifts. So they came up with a game plan to cut a hole in the top of the wall and run Mr. Wilbert's boom through and lift the drum that way so they could replace the bearings. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Oh yeah, that's plenty there. You know the one I'm talking about. No, not the house, the pancake. Oh.
Room when you go back. Yeah.
It don't have the bearing in it.
No, he's on the way back.
Oh, you want to see if we get up high enough? I got
yeah.
it. Yep, I got it. All right, I'm about to get out. Let me see if I can go out a little bit more. I'm gonna go out a little bit more, y'all. All right, I'm pushing on your roof now. Try that. Oh, that's perfect. Yep. All right. Made a weight. All right. All we gotta do wait for the new one to get here. We got it.
Yes, sir.
He gonna have us working today.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Feel like he's coming on through. Solid again.
All right, you should be good to let her down.
How that scrap looking? Is it sitting inside your cradle there?
Yeah.
Ah, I figure we're gonna do that. I'm gonna let's see. Oh, I know what happened. Okay.
I think it needs to go back over that way.
But that's got to sit inside of that, don't it? So I gotta get that in now. Wait a minute, I'm gonna push it out. Push it out. All right, there we go. All right. Let's try to go the winch out now. I don't want to go. Come on, move There we go. It moves. Okay. But the other side is what we got messing. Can you get it in the inside where it ain't on that scrap, y'all?
Get it out now.
With that housing ain't on that scrap. Get that housing on that scrap. Let's see, what can we do? That scrap is all the way up in there now.
It ain't right upside it like it is on the other side when it's sitting down.
Yeah, I'm on. Okay, let's come down. I'm gonna come down with it, see what it looks like. All right. Oh, it's sitting on it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, winch out.
See right there. I got nowhere to go.
There you go, right there.
All right.
I think we'll be able to get the scrap out.
Okay. I'm gonna let up off the cable now. What do you think?
Oh, you good? Yeah, you good.
Come out.
Pull it down from the other side. This side's loose.
Okay. I'm gonna go around there and pull it out. Okay. Got it. Do one at a time. The outside one, yeah. There you go. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, viewers, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and if you like our content and channel, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.